Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore about type of text in reading, and maybe I'm just explain for 7 type of text. And now let's discuss about all of these texts. Okay? Okay, first let's talk about description text. So, description text is a type of written or verbal content that provides information or details about a particular subject, object, event, or concept. It is typically used to explain, clarify, or depict something, often in concise and informative manner. And description text aims to convey a clear and accurate representation of the topic it describes and helping the reader or listener understand and visualize it better. And this type of text can be found in various forms, such as product description, event summarize, or any context where providing information about something is necessary. Okay, this is the example of description text. For the structure of this text, we have introduction on the red one, sensory details on the black one, and organization on the purple one. Okay, next we have narrative text. So, narrative text is a form of written or spoken communication that tells a story or describes a sequence of events. It is often used to entertain, inform, or engage an audience by presenting a series of events or experiences in a coherent and engaging manner. And narrative text is typically include characters, a plot, setting, and may incorporate elements like dialogue, conflict, and resolution. And for novels, short stories, memoirs, and folk tales are examples of narrative text as they aim to engage readers or listeners by taking them through a journey or an unfolding story. Narrative text can be both fictional and non-fictional, and they serve to convey experience, emotion, and ideas. So this is the example of narrative text, and for the structure of this text we have introduction in the red one, plot development in the black one, climax in the blue one, and resolution in the purple one. Okay, the third one is spoof text. So spoof text is typically refers to content that is intentionally created to mimic or imitate something in humorous, satirical, or deceptive way. It can take various forms including written text, image, or multimedia, and it's often designed to playfully parody or make fun of a specific subject such as a well-known brand, a celebrity, or a cultural phenomenon. And spoof text is commonly used for entertainment, satire, or to create comedic effect. It's important to note that the intent behind spoof text is usually amuse or provoke laughter rather than a deceive or mislead people. Parody news article, humorous ads, and satirical social media posts are examples of spoof text. So this is the example of spoof text. For the structure of this text, we have imitation on the red one, exaggeration and humor in the blue one, and twist in the purple one. Okay, the fourth one we have recount text. So recount text is a type of written or spoken text that describes past events, often in a chronological order. It typically provides a personal or factual account of what happened, where, when, and how. Recount text can be written in both first person, personal recount, or third person, factual recount. These texts are commonly used to convey a real life experience, historical events, personal anecdotes, or new reports in a straightforward and informative manner. The main purpose of a recount text is to provide a detailed account of past events, helping readers or listeners to understand and visualize what took place. This is example of recount text. For the structure of this text, we have orientation in the red one, events in the sequence in the black ones, personal reflection in the blue one, and conclusion in the purple one. Next, we have report text. So, a report text is a type of written document that provides information about particular topic, event, or subject in an organized and factual manner. The primary purpose of a report text is to present data, findings, or details on a specific issue, often for the purpose of informing, analyzing, or making decisions. And report texts are typically structured with sections like an introduction, method, results, and conclusion. They are commonly used in an academic and professional settings, including scientific research reports, business reports, and government reports. Report texts are characterized by their objectivity and reliance on data and evidence to support the information present. This is the example of report text, and for the structure of this text we have title in the red one, introduction in the black one, methodology in silver one, result in blue one, and conclusion in the purple one. Next, we have analytical text. So, analytical text is a type of written or spoken content that aims to examine, interpret, and provide an in-depth analysis of a particular topic or subject. It goes beyond mere description and delves into the why and how of a given subject, often breaking down into its component and exploring the relationship between them. And analytical texts typically include arguments, evidence, and critical thinking to support the analysis. And these texts are commonly found in academic essays, research papers, critical reviews, and any context where a deeper understanding and evaluation of a subject are required. And the primary purpose of analytical text is to provide insight, interpretation, and well-reasoned perspective on the topic at hand. It involves looking at various aspects, drawing conclusions, and often inviting readers or listeners to think critically about the subject. Okay, this is the example of analytic text. So, for the structure of analytic text, we have introduction in the red one, analysis in the black one, evaluation in the purple one, and conclusion in the blue one. Okay, last we have explanation text. So, explanation text is a type of written or spoken content that is designed to clarify and inform the reader or listener about a specific process, concept, or phenomenon. It aims to provide a clear and detailed account of how something works and why something happens. Explanation texts typically break down complex topics into simpler, understandable components and use logical and coherent explanation to make the subject comprehensible. And these texts can be found in various forms, including instructional manuals, educational articles, science explanation, and how-to guides. The primary purpose of an explanation text is to impart knowledge and understanding by answering questions like how and why. It helps the audience gain insight into the underlying mechanism of a subject. Okay, here's the example of explanation text, and for the structure of this step, we have introduction in the red one and detailed explanation in the black one. In the purple one, we have examples, and the blue one, we have conclusion. Okay, maybe that's all from me about 7 types of text in reading. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful or entertaining, and feel free to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.